You're watching Stewart J, the Bowtie Cook, with simple seasonal recipes.
And that is wild garlic. Very Falmouth, golden. A bit of everything. Where are we today? We're in Falmouth and we're at Discovery Quay. Yeah, the wind's getting up, as you can hear. So what I'm here today? Well, for today's recipe, I need some mussels. Morning. Morning. How can I help you today? Yeah, I'm looking for some Cornish mussels, please. Today, cooking section done outside, from food prep to cooking to tasting. And fortunately, overnight we've had a change in the weather. You most probably saw that from the piece where I was buying the mussels at the fishmonger in Falmouth. The winds have been up to 30 to 40 miles an hour. It's just impossible to cook outside. Let's go inside and start cooking. Back indoors, inside, a bit warmer, not windy. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop down, let you look at the ingredients and the view out the window. So the mussel dish, we're going to make a mussel vongole, which is unusual. One thing I was going to say, everything on this ingredient list is Cornish. Okay, I've already melted the butter because this hob is not like my hob at home, it takes a lot longer. My induction hob is really quick. So that's ready. I'm just going to turn the heat back up and I'm going to pour in the main ingredient, the Dynamite Valley Gold Rush beer. Oh, hear that. Look at that, golden. Let's show you the colour of that. I think the only way there is to have it in the connoisseur's glass. Put it in a wine glass so you can see that. Look at that. That's splendid. I'm going to pour the rest of it in there. I need to boil that vigorously to boil the alcohol off. Oh, tell you what, that smells really good. Oh, that is really nice. Enough time to boil the alcohol off. So let's put the mussels in. You can have a wide pan, that's better. I know normally mussels you put in a big deep pan and loads of liquid in it, but this is slightly different, it's a richer recipe. Put those in, like so. But it's not my kitchen, as you know, so I'm going to have to use a baking tray as a lid. I'll give that 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add the seaweed now. Next step is the wild garlic. Don't chop it, just tear it. Oh, I can already smell that coming off. That is beautiful. I'll give that 2 minutes. Just let that wilt in the water. That's all you need. That will really enhance the flavour. Let's put some parsley, just a little bit of Cornish salt. Oh, I think we're about done, so let's plate up. So this is your Cornish mussel, Dynamite, Gold Rush Ale, and seaweed spaghetti. Let's garnish it. A couple of wild garlic flowers, and let's go over to the window and give it a taste. Look at that, doesn't it look beautiful? Beautiful presented dish. So there we have those mussels picked just in the bay out there behind the window. We've got the seaweed spaghetti, and with contrast, that wild garlic leaves and those beautiful wild garlic flowers. Let's give it a taste. Let's get some of the garlic and some of the spaghetti. That garlic is not overpowering. It really adds to the dish. A bit of everything. That seaweed, it's not bitter, not salty. It really adds a depth to the dish. I think you really need to try the broth. Love it. That golden now makes that really yummy. So if you enjoyed this recipe, you can now, because it's my recipe, you can go online and you can download that recipe card which I've created, which gives you all the ingredients and the method. If you can't get seaweed spaghetti, then use one of your favourite pasta. So lovely for you out there. Hope you're enjoying that view. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me. Keep cooking, keep sharing, and I'll see you next Wednesday.